Macro photography gives you an entirely different take on the small world. It magnifies the small objects to reveal stunning images. These are the best macro lenses in the business. Optimized for DSLRs and film SLR cameras, the SMC Pentax-df 100mm f/2.8 macro lens is made with an aluminum housing and 6 weather seals, so you can shoot in almost any environment without risking internal damage to the lens. Optical elements are treated with the Pentax Super Protect multi-layer coating to lower surface reflection, reduce UV rays, and deliver clear images. Its quick shift focusing system allows you to easily switch between manual and AF modes. Its 8 rounded diaphragm blade configuration assists in producing pleasing out-of-focus areas in your image. The Mxico Digital ED 60mm f/2.8 macro from Olympus is a 120mm equivalent prime for mirrorless cameras. The lens offers a maximum 1:1 magnification and a 7.5-inch minimum focusing distance to permit photographing close subjects with fine detail. A focus limit switch can also be used to better facilitate working at close or distant range by constraining the focusing mechanism for faster, more precise AF. A movie and still compatible system is used to offer quick, quiet, and smooth AF that is suitable for both photo and movie applications. Taking the 5th spot, the SP 90mm f/2.8 macro from Tamron is designed for FX format Nikon f-mount DSLRs. It employs a floating system for maintaining image quality throughout the 11.8-inch to infinity focusing range. 1 low dispersion and 2 extra low dispersion glass elements are incorporated into the optical design to minimize chromatic aberrations and color fringing. The rounded 9-blade diaphragm contributes to a pleasing bokeh quality, and the vibration compensation image stabilization minimizes camera shake by up to 3.5 stops. The video description, which you can find below, contains all the additional information and buying links for the featured products. The full-frame compatible FE 90mm f/2.8 macro G OSS lens is at number 4. It makes use of various specialized elements to ensure highly detailed images with an absolute minimum of aberrations. The lens also has a fast f/2.8 aperture for controlling the depth of field and a nano AR coating that help eliminate ghosting and flare. The speedy direct drive supersonic wave motor is present and lets users have direct access to a focus hold button and focus range limiter for further optimizing the lens's performance in certain situations. The third-placed XF 80mm f/2.8 R macro from Fujifilm is a 120mm equivalent telephoto prime for X-mount mirrorless cameras. The f/2.8 maximum aperture is well suited to isolate subject matter, and when paired with the short 9.8-inch minimum focusing distance, this is perfect for macro shooting. A floating focus system uses 2 distinct focusing groups in order to maintain image quality throughout the focus range, and the linear motor ensures quick autofocus performance. Its 5-stop effective optical image stabilization system complements for camera shake. The AF-S Micro Nikkor 105mm f/2.8G from Nikon is at number 2. This is the macro lens from Nikon to feature their vibration reduction tech. It is also effective as a straight prime telephoto lens for portraiture and general shooting. The VR system minimizes the shake by up to 3 stops. The internal focus system means only the internal lens groups move during focus, allowing a close working distance, and the silent wave motor, SWM autofocus motor, is fast and near silent. Full-time manual focus override enables immediate access to precise manual focus. The EF 100mm f/2.8L macro from Canon is the best macro lens in the market. It is an L series prime that offers a life-size 1:1 maximum magnification and an 11.8-inch minimum focusing distance. The built-in image stabilizer minimizes camera shake by 2 stops at full 1:1 magnification, or up to 4 stops at lower magnifications for sharper handheld shooting. A ring-type USM and internal focusing design offer quick, quiet autofocus along with full-time manual override. It uses one ultra-low dispersion element, eliminates color fringing and chromatic aberrations, and a super spectra coating has been applied to suppress flare. Like and share this video if you loved it, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. The bell icon helps with getting instant notifications.